Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we will show you how to remove and replace interior door handle on a Fiat 500 guys. We'll demonstrate on the left door, but if you guys need to do the right door, procedure will be about the same. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. On this Fiat specifically 500 guys, we will have more than 200 to 300 videos guys. We'll be taking it completely apart and we'll show you how to fix pretty much anything guys. Now that should apply for the whole generation guys, so multiple years will be applied for that procedure, so stay with us. That's what we'll be doing. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel guys and like the video. We do all that to save you as much money as we can. So by subscribing guys and liking the video, you will help us guys actually put those videos and keep doing them and provide them for free. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you how to do it now. So let us show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay, now the door panel. In order to remove the door panel guys, we need to remove a few covers, a few bolts, a few screws as well. So that's what we'll be starting on now. So the first cover that we need to remove is right here. You can see where the door handle is. Just pry that one guys, and you're going to find here now, okay, you have two screws with a Allen wrench right here. Okay, those are the two screws that we need to remove, and this is guys, okay, we need a small Allen wrench. So let's see, I think it's a 5 millimeters, so we'll go ahead and remove it guys. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, you can find the links in the description of the video below, shared for your convenience, so please feel free to check it out guys. Okay, you can see first screw is coming out. Now we're going to work on the second one. Okay, almost there. Okay, perfect. Now guys, we need to come towards the side. Okay, on the back side of the door we have two more caps that we need to remove, smaller caps. Careful not to scratch your door. Gently pull those out with a small screwdriver. One here, one towards the bottom. Okay, and here we have two screws with a Phillips head screwdriver guys. Okay, that we need to go ahead and remove. Okay, one is out. Working on the second one now here. Okay, you can see how easy that Fiat is guys. Some vehicles, it's extremely complicated procedure to actually remove front door panel. On this one, not complicated at all. It doesn't take much. So just that screw, okay, it's getting loose, but it is a little bit stuck now guys. So okay, it came out. You need to shake it a little bit. Now guys, so next guys, okay, right here we have one cover that we need to pop loose. Okay, careful not to break anything. Perfect, you can see. And on the inside guys, okay, we have one screw that we need to remove with an Allen wrench. Okay guys, it's inside. Ours was a little bit loose, so okay, right there we need to go ahead and remove that screw. Ours is broken there, okay, that's why it's moving, so be careful. Whoever removed that thing last time, okay, they didn't do it the right way. So as a result guys, okay, you can see ours is broken, and we wanted to show you that. So yours guys, okay, is not going to break just like ours did. So this one is loose. It will come loose when we continue removing the panel, so we'll continue with the next step. Gotta make sure that we don't have anything else. What we're going to do, we have a few clips. We'll get a plastic panel removal tool, very important, so you don't scratch your door. We always start on the front, so if you scratch something, it's not going to be so visible. Try to pry with the tool the door open guys. Okay, let's find one place and just stay there, and get your fingers underneath and just start pulling the clips. If the clips break guys, we will have the link in the description of the video below, and we will explain guys, okay, where you can find that, so you can actually replace yours. Now a few things that we need to do. Okay, right here, let me explain. This is the interior door handle cable. We need to release this one. Right here there is one clip. Press down, and when you press down guys, it's supposed to come out, but with one hand. Okay, I got it out. Perfect. Okay, Now we need to put that thing to the side and disconnect it. We have one wire here. This is for the switch. Okay, the thing for pressing it in is right here and disconnect it. You can see the door panel came out. Let us show you where all the clips are now located, guys, so you know what to expect. Now we have right here on the back side 1, 2, 3 clips. One is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips, guys. 9 clips, and you can see a couple are missing, so if you need to buy replacement ones, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So now the interior door handle, guys, we had to remove the door panel. Why? Because you remove it on the inside, and you're going to see that in just a second. Okay, we're going to flip it this way, and right here, guys, okay, we need to get a Torx. Okay, Torx star looking bit, you're going to see in a second. Let me show you. This is a Torx 20, I think. Torx 20. All the tools and parts that we use, replacement parts, everything will be shared in the description of the video below, guys. We use that power screwdriver. Really handy too. We've been using it for so many years and it's still working like brand new. So we just have 2 more screws that we need to remove, guys. You can see second one now, and then the third one on top. All of them use the same tool, guys, and once you do that, your practically, guys, door handle, interior door handle should come out. You need to just stretch it a little bit, open and pull it out. Okay, right here. Now if that thing is broken, guys, you in some cases don't have to replace the door handle or the whole assembly. You can buy a replacement clip, guys. We'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. You can check it out, but if you live in certain places, you may need to buy the door handle assembly. We'll have the link as well, so check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.